Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your Figma game and make your workflow smoother and more efficient, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to design powerful UI components and responsive buttons using Figma's variants and auto layout features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to create beautiful, consistent components, but also how to save tons of time whenever you're designing future projects. Alright, let's jump in. First, when it comes to creating design components in Figma, especially buttons, the goal is to make pieces that are both reusable and easy to adapt. Think of it like building with Lego blocks, where each piece snaps perfectly into place. So to get started, open up Figma and head over to the Templates and Tools section. This is where you can access a lot of ready-made resources that can give a great kickstart to your project. In the search bar, go ahead and type Design Buttons with Variants. This little search phrase is going to surface loads of component libraries and templates created by other designers, all organized with variants and ready for auto layout magic. Now take a moment to browse through what pops up. Don't rush this part. Each template here showcases different styles, layouts, and approaches. Maybe you see a bold primary button or a sleek outlined version or even some funky toggle buttons. Pick anything that catches your eye, something that matches the vibe of the project you have in mind, or simply something you'd like to customize further. Once you found your favorite, click on it and then select Open in Figma. This imports the template or component set right into your working file. Now what you have on your screen isn't just a static set of buttons. These are actual components equipped with variants. If you're new to variants in Figma, think of them as different states of a single button, all packed neatly together like normal, hover, press, disabled, and so on. This is super powerful because as you start designing your interface, you can switch between these states with a simple click, and Figma handles all the style changes for you behind the scenes. Imagine the amount of time you save, since you don't need to manually create and update every single button instance. Next, let's talk about auto layout. Any of these buttons or components you've imported likely use auto layout under the hood. Auto layout makes your components smart. They automatically resize, stack, and space themselves out based on the content inside. For example, if you make a button label longer or add an icon, the button shape adjusts gracefully without any weird stretching or manual tweaking from you. It's like having invisible helpers tidying things up as you work, keeping your designs pixel perfect and consistent across your whole project. At this point, the real creative work comes in: customization. Use these templates as your inspiration and foundation. You might want to change the colors to match your brand, tweak corner radii for a softer or sharper look, or adjust text styles to keep everything on brand. Don't be afraid to experiment, swap out icons, play with spacing, or try new combinations of properties in your button variants. Every time you adjust a master component, every instance across your Figma file updates automatically. That's the real magic of components and variants working together. And remember, the more you practice building these components with variants and auto layout, the more efficient, and honestly more fun your design process becomes. You'll find your projects start coming together faster, and you'll be building your own custom UI kits in no time. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about working with variants, auto layout, or Figma in general, drop me a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.